Hey guys, even though I've pretty much run out of voice for the day, I can't help but having to start this video now because I'm pretty eager to start cleaning this car. And this is our new, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if it's a project yet because I don't know how much we're going to do to it because it's actually a pretty cool car. Not even a car, it's a ute. So it's our new sort of, shop slash parts slash, trips to the farm vehicle. Recently sold, our old little Mitzi Triton ute, and we sold my dad's dual cab, so it left me without a ute. And everyone knows in Australia, you need a ute in the family. So I searched high and low, and so for those internationally, we're in Perth, so we're in the western side of Australia, and we found this one in rural Victoria. So after after looking at many buckets of shit, and some good ones, we stumbled across this one, and we bit the bullet. And one thing I'm happy with is it's blue and it's not white like most of them. And I'm going to turn this around now, and just give you a bit of a look. I'm not sure. I mean, this is literally just come. You can see here, it's come straight off the truck. Well, it's come off. I believe it's probably been shipped. So it went from, so it was a bit west of Melbourne, rural Victoria there, and so it went to Adelaide. So it went to Adelaide depot. Look, you see, still got the Vic plates on it. It's 116,000. The only thing I've done so far is pulled the seat covers off because I wanted to make sure, the seats were, you look at them, that one there doesn't even feel like it's been sat in. This one here is not bad. I'm not sure if you can pick up, there's a little dent there. That was shown to me before I got sent, but I also noticed a smaller one here and another one there. So I don't know if that happened in transit. I don't know if that happened in transit or just wasn't picked up. It's no big deal. In the scheme of things, this thing is ultimately how it was described to me to the guy that was selling it, which is great. So you always, it's a bit of a gamble when you're buying a car interstate, overseas. What are you going to get? And this one ticks all the boxes. Like, couldn't be happier. I'm glad we got, a blue one. 5-speed manual, which is what I wanted. It's also, so it's got, tow hitch. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep that on or not. I'm not sure if this sticker is standard, but I'm not sure when you get them like this good, and you probably get people going, man, that's not that good. That's like an old farm ute. But man, if you got to see any Falcon Ute from the 90s to even early, they were used as workhorses. So this one's is very clean underneath, like it's all dry. There's hardly a spot of oil. You can even see it sitting on commercial style tyres. Which we're going to probably change. It's got new shocks. It's got the mud flaps are still hanging in there. So tray, really, like that for a tray is like, immaculate. I haven't pulled it all the way back, but I'm assuming it's all the same. The tarp's it's a bit this missing one here, but I might change that because I noticed I took it for a drive around the block and it's flapping a bit, so that's going to annoy me. And the reason I thought, I didn't want to do this video until a bit later, till I had a bit more energy and voice in me, but yeah, I want to start cleaning, obviously, because that's what I do. And yeah, I thought we'd start this, and you know, we'll just build on this video, and in the next one, hopefully you'll see. One thing I do know for sure what we're doing is we're obviously going to polish this car. So we're going to polish it, maybe test some products, maybe coat it, maybe wax it, maybe, you know, it's all my vehicles become test mules. So we'll be, you know, just sort of show you that you can sort of, actually we haven't got the other lights on. Alright, so the lights on now, so you can sort of start to see, you know what I mean? I mean, it's all just wear and tear. But yeah, I mean, small scuff here. Now, it's got these on there, but I don't know if these, it says, maybe these guys can tell me whether they were sold to me as genuine, but that doesn't look genuine to me. It just looks like, you know, bit of a scratch. But yeah, anyone who knows, you know, or Vic Reggio, it's yeah, it's quite nice. I know there's some spare parts. There's a spare coil in there ready, like the guy was going to do some, you know, preventative maintenance, so you can sort of see the back there. I'm going to get in there now and start cleaning it. But yeah, so yeah guys, a new project. This is the second one we've got on the go at the moment, because I haven't started, I don't know what's going to come out first, because my son just got his license and he has an EL Fairmont, and we're just similar you know, process that we're doing with that car. Obviously, you know, he's a bit younger, he's yeah, we've set some standards for that car, so that's come a long way as it is. So yeah, whether this video comes out first or that one, yeah, we're running these two projects in sync at the moment, because that one's 3/4 of the way done and this one's just popped up. So not sure how much we get done, but we're sort of late October at the moment. I'm not sure when this will come out, but yeah, it's going to be a pretty cool car once it's all cleaned up and polished. And stay tuned, and I'll show you as we go, even if it's just a bit of polishing and all that sort of stuff. The XG, so it's an XG 1995 Falcon Ute 5-speed manual. See you at the end.